So guys, first method, register your dial file. Click to start, type cmd, right click to run as administrator, then yes, then first command regsvr32 space slash winmm.dll and then hit enter. Okay, just click to OK. Okay, then next, remove this. First method, first you have remove slash and then hit enter, then OK, then close it. Next, update your audio driver. So right click to Windows icon, go to device manager, and this is device manager. Then find out sound, video and gamer. This is right click to update. If like getting any error, so you can right click to uninstall this device, again click to uninstall. Then now this is unvisible from the device manager, so you can click on here scan for hardware changes. So just simple click, just one click it, so automatically show, and then again right click to update driver, search automatically, and then close it. So this is a SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay. Copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay. So step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last. So is next check Windows update. So click to start, go to setting. Okay, so guys, if in the task Windows startup is setting is not showing, so you can search to type setting. Okay, you can click this like that. Okay, so this is your Windows 11 control setting option. So you just last one Windows update and then click to check for Windows and wait few seconds. It will be show which is you require Windows update in provide from the Microsoft. So might be with the .NET. Now this is the downloading, after that install. Okay, so .NET 3.0 and 4.8.1 with Windows 11 version 22H2 for 64-bit, and this is your key. So it will come different, so no worry, you just first of all download, and then now this is installing to my system. So this is download and install, this is different. Okay, download means you download from the internet to your system. Install means now install your system with your OS operating systems. Okay, it will complete, then restart your system. Hi guys, created a restore point or automatically created a restore point. How to restore? So click to start and type restore point, create restore point to click. You can type point, otherwise you create restore. So what is, then click to system restore, then next select this date, and you can check here to show all uh, auto and manual. This is type. Okay, and then next and finish, and this is asking for the restart, and then click it.